This is a day I've been waiting for over 10 years. I have finally ordered my dream engine, the K20, specifically the K20 Type R. This just arrived from JDM, California, so let's unwrap this. Wrapped up next to it. Is this going to be usable? Probably not. This is RBC. So here it is, my K20 Type R. You guys can see on the block, K20A right there. This is from a Euro Accord R, so not a K20 from an Integra, but it basically makes the same power, so just as good, and I got a pretty good deal on it. I do still need to source a transmission. I am looking at picking up a Z3 locally from a guy right now. Some things I got to do before I move it onto the engine stand is remove the exhaust manifold, and once it's on there I can kind of start cleaning it up a bit. I'll be removing the wiring harness. I'll be removing the AC compressor since I'm not going to be using it on my build. Alright, fast forward, it is the next day. I had to go and rent a big engine hoist, although this might have been a little overkill. Shout out to Pops for running and getting that while I was at work. Then I went ahead and got some chain for that. We had to also go to the hardware store and get some strengthened bolts to bolt this guy onto the motor. We got that all situated, and now we're finally ready to start. Get this guy hoisted up, and then get the motor over onto the stand, and then I can start making some more videos on it. Okay, successfully got the motor up on the engine lift. It's pissing a little bit of coolant, but that's fine. So now we're gonna get the pallet out of the way, get the jacks or the engine stand over, and we should be good. Motor is successfully mounted onto the engine stand now. Next step will just be to remove the bolts for holding this chain, and then we can get that off and get started on tearing this thing down. Finally, the motor is now tucked in over in the side of the garage, right next to the EG. In the next video, I'm going to be disassembling this thing, pretty much taking the wire harness off, taking all the accessories off, and doing a little prep work.